how are you today? I hope you are happy and full of energy. Today, we are going to dot color a beautiful gift box. First, let's start with the ribbon. We will use yellow. Slowly color inside the lines. Wow, look! The ribbon dot already looks bright. Yellow is just like the sunshine. It brings joy and makes the gift look extra special. Imagine receiving a present with a golden yellow ribbon. That would make anyone happy, right? Yellow shows happiness and warmth. Great job, friends! The ribbon is almost done. Doesn't it shine beautifully? Now, let's move to the box. We will use red. Take your red crayon and carefully fill the box. Look how strong and bright it looks. Red is a color of love, courage, and excitement. A red gift feels so special, like there is something very precious inside. As we color, let's imagine what could be hidden inside this box. Maybe a teddy bear, a toy car, or delicious chocolate. Every gift is full of surprises. Keep coloring slowly and make sure every corner is filled. Wow, the box looks amazing in red. With the yellow ribbon, the gift now looks even more beautiful. Let's take a look at our work. A yellow ribbon shining bright, and a gift box glowing red. Such a wonderful combination of colors. It looks like a special present, ready to be given to someone we love. Giving a gift is a way to show kindness and love. Who would you like to give this gift to?